Hello everyone, this is question number 10. This question is belong to teaching methodology. Which of the following is the best method of teaching? We have to identify that from the given options, which one is the best method for the teaching. So here option number 1 says to impart knowledge to students. Second option says to ask students to self-learn from books. This is anyhow not the best method of teaching at all, because in this, according to this option, you are asking your students to go and learn by yourself from the books. So we can eliminate this option because this is not comes under any methods of teaching. Next is third statement says that to start a discussion and encourage students to participate in it. It is somehow possible when it comes to the teaching students with the help of discussion, but it is still not the best method of teaching, because you are making your student to discuss themselves whatever knowledge they have. You are ask your students to participate in the discussion without involving a teacher in it. So basically what does student do in this discussion? They exchanging their information with each other, because a teacher is not actively participate in the discussion. So this discussion will not going to be fruitful. So we can eliminate this as well. Next is says that to ask students to go to the library. With the help of your common sense, you can directly eliminate this question as well, because this is not comes under any teaching method, because you are asking your students to go to the library and learn by yourself, and you are not teaching your students at all. So this is definitely not going to be a best method of teaching. So according to this question or observing these options, we can say the correct option for this question is going to be option number 1. But what is the meaning of to impart knowledge to students? So basically imparting knowledge means to make something known to someone. If someone is not known to a topic and you are making his or her to understand on the basis of rules, facts and information, whichever information you have related to this topic, and you are making your students to understand this. So this is basically, this process is called imparting the knowledge. So imparting the knowledge means you are conveying the information from one to another. You are conveying your information on a particular topic and you are conveying this information to your student. This is the best way of teaching. So here I have mentioned some of the teaching methods. Teaching method number 1 says the teacher centered method, which is the lecture, demonstration, biographical, historical methods. These are the examples comes under teacher centered method. Here we have the student centered, or we can say pupil centered method, which is usually practiced inside the class, and the laboratory, heuristic, projects, assignments you have given and you are discussing with your students, where teacher is actively participating. I'm not saying that students themselves are discussed on a particular topic, but here in the pupil center, pupils are discussing, as well as student and teacher both are actively participate in the discussion. Third, we have the pupil centered, where are socialized classroom techniques in which you are conducting the seminar, you are giving the workshop on this, we are the symposiums and we are panel discussion on a particular topic which is going on in the seminar or the as well. Last, we have use of the instructional technology, in which you are programmed the instructions, you have used the teaching mechanics and personalized instruction as well. So these are some of the basics and teaching methods which we usually use by the teachers in order to teach their students. So the correct option for this question will be option number 1.